My name is Catherine. I'm here because I am looking for love. Thanks to Anastasia.com, I know that good people exist, and you just need to figure out who is the best one for you is. I am still looking for my love, and now I know that I shouldn't give up. I like the fact that it's possible to look for your soulmate even staying at home. As for me, it is very convenient. When you come back home after work, very often you don't have time for dating, for meeting people in the evening. But Anastasia.com makes everything possible. You meet new people just staying at home. There are no obstacles. I want other women to know that they shouldn't give up, and with the help of Anastasia.com they will forget what loneliness is. I forgot about it, and now I'm truly thankful to Anastasia.com.